How to change your default language from another language to English or add some languages. This is the OnePlus 12R and the same for the OnePlus 12. So let's just say you made a mistake and changed the language and it's not English, or you have another language on your OnePlus phone and it's not English. So you'll use the quick panel access here, and even though you don't understand what it's saying, you'll just simply follow these steps here. Tap on this right here, and you'll be taken to this section right here. You're gonna now use these icons to help you find your way, and you're going down until you see the one that has this icon right here, all right? As you tap on it one time, you'll be taken to this section here, and you'll go to the second option, okay? Right here, the second one right there. Tap on that once, and this is where you can change the different languages. So if you have English already, you'll just simply long press it and then bring it up like this here. And when you release it, this is gonna show up and you'll select the first option. That basically means to set it to the default language, okay? Now let's just say you don't have English here yet, okay? You only have this language or whatever language it is. You'll tap on this edit option right here. You see this right here? Tap right there, and you'll be taken to where you can add the other languages. So if you don't have English yet, you'll just go down the list and you'll go for the E section where it would have English, and you'll press on the plus and it will appear here. And you'll do the same thing, whether you're here or the other one here, just hold it down like this here, and then you'll just bring it up like that and release it. When you release it, it'll do this here, and that's gonna set it to the default. And now you'll have English as your default language, okay? When you come out of here, you'll have English, and you can back out and you'll have English. And just in case, if you want to like remove the other languages and you just want to keep English only, you'll just simply go to edit again, and you'll just tap on the minus right here. That's gonna remove it for you. And then of course you can go ahead and add the other languages if that's what you were looking for, like in 7.